Hi guys, welcome back here to part 13, and we are going to be building the front end of the car here. The front end, which is going to be that part right there. So the title of this video is going to be building the front end, or the front end assembly, or something like that. It's probably going to be the front end assembly because we're building the frame here to that part there. So we have 14 minutes to do it in. So let's get going. I have the parts here already. Here's the car. And that is how the car is going to be placed here on the table once we have that part done. So we are going to build that part there. That is going to be the front end where the bonnet is going to go on. So let's get going. So for that we need an angle here. Part 13. Alright. That angle here. Or that way up, I should say. Like that. The other one in here. Like so. Then we need the 13. Just that guy there, I hope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah. We're gonna put that one on, like 1 second here, like that. We're gonna put it on like so. Alright. Then we need another blue one. That will go on the end here. Like that. And we need another black one. No, not that one. That guy there. That will go in here like so. Alright. So we are gonna put that guy onto the car. And that is how it's gonna go on. It's gonna go on down in there. I'm gonna do that off camera. Alright, and here we are. So turn it around. Here and here. That's how it went on. Alright, the next build is this piece right here. We're gonna have to build that piece next, and that will go on here, which is gonna be on that part there. So let's get going. So for this we need a tree. We're gonna put that in there, or stick it in there, like so. Then we need this piece here. Alright, that piece is pretty much done. Now we need to stick it onto the front of the car here. So let's see how that is going to go on. Like like that. It's going to go on like that. And we are in. Alright. Okay, we're going to leave the car here because we need to build this piece here, and that piece is gonna go up in there. That piece right there. That is some kind of a cross member or something. Like there. That is that piece right there. Alright. Brilliant. So now we have to build the second piece here. We're gonna have to build that piece right there, which will go on the other side, I think. And this piece here is gonna go on at the bottom here. I'm gonna have to do that off camera. And that is what it looks like so far. Alright, nice. We are expanding the car outwards because we're going to put the bonnet on the front here. So we are going to leave the car on the table again. And we need to build that one there. That piece right there. Just put that in. Alright. That was that piece there, which is this piece right there. Alright, next up is that part here. This piece up there, we're gonna have to build that one next. Alright, next build is gonna be that one down there, which will then fit onto this piece here. And that piece will go on here, which means it will go on this piece right here. So we're looking at something like that. And there we go, guys. That is what the whole thing looks like. That is brilliant. We are expanding the car out already. That is that is going to be part of the bonnet here, guys. Part of the bonnet here. That is the front end. And we're going to put the bonnet on top of there. So those are the holders here for the bonnet. So now we have to build those two holders. They're going to probably go on either end. We need them 2 times. Two times. So here's the second one. I'm going to pull the car back up. And see where they will go. Yeah, they are gonna go on here, that one there. And the other one will go on this side here. So that one here will go practically here. Alright, there it is. That part there. And that part right there, those 2 pieces went on here. Alright, brilliant. Let's have a look at the next one over there. Now we need a a 9 axle, which we have here. And that is gonna go, where will that go? I think I know where it will go already. Right to the bottom here. Like so. Down in there. There. Through there. To keep those two here in place. Now you can't move them anymore. They're in place right now. Alright. So that one is going to be the next one here. We need for that this guy here and 2 black pigs. So let's see where that one will go. I think it will go down in here. Like that. Yeah, it went straight across there. You can see the blue pins down in there. Blue pin there, and that's the cross member that went down in there. So we have 4 pieces left. Let's see where they will go. And that is going to be that build there. Yeah, those 2 pieces, they went on here, which is going to be the support for the whole project here. So this is going to be it, guys, part 13. That was the bonnet frame assembly, I should say, the frame for the hood, or the front end assembly, whichever you want to call it. So thanks for watching here, and it's still up. Let me know what you guys think of the build so far and of all the other videos in comments below. Turn off the AF. So yeah, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed this build. Bye bye.